If you want to enable or disable reverse wireless charging on POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we can scroll down a little bit in order to find battery settings, and then in battery settings go to charging options. In here we have reverse wireless charging, which can be easily enabled and disabled over here. However, we need to have more than the selected charging limit. So, I mean, in terms of the battery percentage. So if you have less than 30 or less than 20%, then of course you will not be able to use reverse wireless charging. Once it is enabled, you can of course charge other devices and that support wireless charging by placing it on the back of our POCO F8 Ultra. And besides that, you can also go to quick settings or the control center, and I believe over here, there we go, we have a reverse wireless charging option which we can add to the control center, so you can quickly turn it on or off over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.